Hello, my name is Mike, and today I want to go over a few more things you can do with our Buzzfeed Style Outcome Quizzes. Last week, we released our new Outcome Quiz feature. While you could have used our scored quizzes or conditional logic to do something similar, our new quiz outcome action has made it incredibly easy to make a personality quiz. But in my video, I left out a couple things that you can do to make your quizzes look better and do more. Let's jump right in. I'll be the first to admit that I didn't make my actual outcomes to the quiz look very nice. So let's change that, shall we? To fix it, I made some little cards with students dressed as each of the 4 Hogwarts houses and the sorting hat on each of them. A bit nicer than my knockoff mascot images. So I'll delete what I had before and upload these. But first, let's go back to the build portion of this form. Once you add a quiz outcome action, a new hidden field gets added to the build page. You can see it here. This is the field ID for the outcome. There's a few different things we can do with this ID using shortcodes, but the most useful is totals. With this shortcode, field ID, show equals totals. We can let users see how close they were to getting another house in our quiz. I'll need to paste this shortcode in every outcome, not only because I want each outcome to see this code, but because any outcome that doesn't have this shortcode won't show its total for the other outcomes. And now I'll add my new outcome images to make this look better. I'll make sure it's full-sized and centered. Okay, let's take this quiz again. I'll just click the top left answer each time and see what happens. A much better looking outcome picture. And I can see the totals for how close I was to getting another house. Very nice. And that's how you can do a little bit more with your Buzzfeed style personality quizzes. Subscribe for more WordPress and Formidable Forms tips, and I'll see you next time.